Hey guys, welcome back. Rule 48 is the bigger the smile, the sharper the knife. Now, I look at this in a different context other than betrayal, okay? So what I look at it in terms of is always have a contingency plan for when things go wrong. Because the thing is, let's say you're working with somebody else, you've got a business partnership, you never quite know when something bad's going to happen. There's going to be like a dissolve or something bad could happen to your business partner. So it's good to have a contingency plan there. And what I mean by the sharper the knife is a lot of the time it can really hurt you when something goes bad for your business. Let's say you have a fight with one of your employees, it can really, really hurt. So when it comes down to it, you've got to find a way to tune out of that. And if you keep it in your mind that you've always got a contingency plan, things will be a lot more relaxed and stress will be a lot less. Now, I know that that's not what the rule of acquisition is about, but in the context I'm giving it to you, it can still be useful. So take it or leave it. It is a good piece of advice if you're looking at it from my perspective, which is not how the Ferengi will look at it. But anyway, hope it helps.